It equals, go back to the cash flow statement for my supplies. I find the supply line. Yeah. Enter. Now I'm down to telephone. Go back to cash flow statement. Hit telephone. Enter. So on and so forth. You guys don't need to watch me do this. Cash flow. Maintenance. And then legal. I add up all the total general expenses and the auto sum. Enter. So my total operating expenses equal my total selling expenses plus my total general administrative expenses. 748,000. If I know what my net income is now before tax, my net income before taxes is going to be a gross profit my gross profit minus my total operating expenses taxes on income. Because we're an LLC, we don't pay tax on income. So for us, it's a zero. If you're not an LLC, if you decide to be a C corporation or something like that, that's when you would pay tax on income. And your taxes on this amount of income would be about 35%. But for us, we'll just put zero down. So we'll have the same thing after taxes minus this. We're done. Extraordinary gain or loss, income tax on extraordinary gain. We don't have to worry about these two categories. So I just word those out. And that's going to leave us a net income for year one of $368,000. And we're done. For those of you guys who want to go further, you can actually go to year two, all the way out to year 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll do it the same way. Now, what I like to do, because we don't know the numbers, it's all pro forma. We just estimate gross sales to increase by a multiple. So let's say we're going to say our gross sales are increased by 10% a year. Whatever you want to do, you do 10, 15, 5, whatever you like. But for me, I would keep it simple and say my sales are going to increase by 10% a year. So I'll take this number and I'll multiply it by 1.1, which is 110%. So my next year's sales will go up. I'll spread that out. And obviously I have to stretch this out now. I'll merge and center all of this. I'll merge and center all of this. And I will merge and center all of this. I'm gonna have the same percentage of 10% of my returns. So that's gonna go down just like that. I just drag that across. Now I'll use the same formula for net sales, which is just my gross sales minus my returns and allowances. Cost of sales. Now it's gonna look like this. My beginning inventory is gonna be different now. So my beginning inventory is gonna be the same thing as my as my new beginning inventory here in year 2 will be my my new inventory, whoever's left. So it'll be this, my ending inventory. And since I'm growing, I'm gonna say I'm gonna grow every year by, I'll go by 10% again. I use the same formula, this plus that. I use the same formula, which is this, which is just 20% less at the end of the year. And what I'm going to do here is drag this formula over, and this is going to pull up all my last year in the inventory. And then finally, my cost of goods sold I just drag over. Now my gross profit will be here. Oh. Now salaries and wages. This is interesting. My salaries actually did go up. My commission goes up because of my salary. Well, we'll say the main salaries will just stay the same, but my commission, oops, so it equals this. My commissions, I'll say, will go up by 20% a year. My advertising, I'll say my advertising will go up by 5% a year, equals advertising budget. Oh, my other will go up 2.5%. Costs. Oh, she's disgusting. My total selling expense. Oh man, let me hurry up before I run out of time. I'll just drag that out using the formulas. All other salaries and wages, say my rent, all my basic expenses will stay the same. So these will stay constant. I'll take this, I'll drag it down here, and I'll drag it all the way out, all the way across. If you want to give yourself a raise, you can put yourself a raise year 3 or 2. Doesn't matter. That's reasonable to say that you'll make more money. Here, I'll make it. You want to give your employees a raise. You can say you'll take $200,000 there. And if you want to change your own salary, say you can add an extra $200,000, extra $50,000 in salary here, and maybe 225 here. Just so the numbers change a little bit. We can take this formula all the way out. So, total operating expenses, this is the formula. Once again, drag the formula out. Once again, drag the formula out. And we are done. By year 5, we're making $745,000 of actual profit. And you're officially done. Upload to YouTube time.